Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this J.cole off-season sample pack. So this sample pack was actually, it's actually based off of J.cole's new album, off-season. It's actually not new anymore. It's been here for a while. So
if you haven't listened to that, I recommend that you go check it out. It's crazy, man. So yeah.
So the album was the sample pack is based off of that sound. So there's like 808s in here, there's some guitar loops, there's some hats, there's some kicks, there's some midis, there's some open hats, there's some percussion, there's some snares. Nicely processed as always. Y'all know how we do it here at Believers Records. So yeah, man. So before we actually move into this, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So yeah, that's it, man. So I already kind of loaded up the guitar loops here. So all we got to do is just listen. So let's go ahead and listen to the first guitar loop. Yeah, so that was the first guitar loop. Second, let me just cut this here. All right, let's hear the second. So yeah, so that's it for the guitar loops. So let's go ahead and check out the midis. So I'm gonna start from down here to change things a little bit. So let's go ahead and listen to that MIDI. All right. It's already turned up. So let's go ahead and listen to that. That was the first, that was the fifth, sorry. I'm coming first because I'm starting from down here. All right. That was the fourth MIDI. The third now. Second. And finally, the first MIDI. So yeah, that's it for the midis, guys. So yeah, so let's go ahead and check out the rest of the stuff. So the 808. The hats. All right, the kicks. right, the open has. All right, the percussion. All right, the snares. That's all I got for you, man. That's all I got for you. That's it for the sauce, bro. That's it. So, link in the description down below. It shouldn't be, complicated downloading this, but in case you get any problems, just hit me up and I'll help you with that. So yeah, that's it, man. So before I actually wrap it up, I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up and we'll talk. So yeah, that's it, man. So make sure that you actually enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye, namaste. See you next time.